Okay, so I'm just doing a little test here. I've got a genuine bona fide rock, and disregard this. This isn't touching anywhere. This point here. So I've got a point load, and I've directed it a couple of inches back from the front. I don't want to be too close and risk something odd happening, but I didn't want to go too far back because that's where the mount is that gives it the jackability, and that would be kind of cheating because there's just no way there'd be a problem back there. So I've tried to pick a vulnerable place and somewhere where you're more likely to hit. If I'd been over here more or over here more, that's where the bars run through. So there's supports running through here. So that would be kind of cheating to put it under here. So I'll pick the middle for this test, and we'll see how it reacts. Okay, so you can't see it in the video, but the wheels are now off the ramp, so now the entire weight of the vehicle is on that point. Actually, the video, I'll move the video around. So you can hear there's really hardly even any deflection. There would obviously be a little bit of deflection, but I would say there's not going to be any permanent deformation. Now this obviously isn't an impact load, it's a static load, but it is the entire weight of the front of the vehicle. And normally your tyres are still on the ground and your suspension and tyres are absorbing some degree of loads. So even those impacts that you have where the front might bounce down into some ruts and then the front hits, typically you'll still have some degree of suspension and tyre absorption of the impact before the front hits. But I'll see if I can come up with a tougher test, and I'll do some other tests as well. But that's this one for now.